Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thanks, and you?
Thank you. Sit down. Welcome to my lesson today. So before starting today's topic, let's discuss the difference between macro universe and micro universe. So who wants to say what is the macro and micro? Okay. Yes, Mayra?
Macro means big, micro means small.
Small. So the large one consists of very small particles. Yeah. For example, here you see there are strange models, right?
Yes.
So behind me you can see here's a picture of the galaxy. Galaxy also is like a star inside of the whole universe. And this model is also like a star in this galaxy. What was the name of our galaxy? Okay, Jana?
Our galaxy's name was Milky Way.
Milky Way, well done. So the Milky Way has also many stars. This one is also like a star inside of this galaxy. So who wants to say what is the name of this model? Yes, Arujan?
It's a solar system.
Solar system. How do you say, what is this one?
This is the sun.
Orange one. This sun?
Yes.
Yes, sun. And what about these balls? Planets. How many planets we have? 8. 8? It was 9, but now it is 8. Yeah. Thank you. Who knows about the Earth? The Earth is also found nearby the sun. By which place or by the order is Earth is found? Yes, Bernard? Third place. So it is very important to be on the first place. This one is third. So being third makes our world very special because the Earth supports the life because there is present atmosphere, the air, then water is present. So life is present on the Earth than other planets, yeah? Yes. All these planets on the Earth you must see. Why, for example, sun is attracting this? Why all of these processes are happening here? Yeah? Because you differ from other animals, other organisms by your mind. You must think. Why? Sun is hanging over the Earth like a lamp. And Earth is like a field where you can get your useful materials, useful things. Yeah? I said seeing. So seeing and watching, they are very different. When you are watching the window, example, you are just seeing the plastic and jar. Right?
Yes.
But when you are seeing through this window, you can see the wonderful winter season of KTL city. Is it?
Yes.
So today we have a snow, and it is very beautiful. Yeah? Now let's compare. As we said, large is made up of small sizes. Yeah? Here we have a micro universe, micro world, which reflects same system inside of this micro world. So guess today's topic. This don't see that it is very large, that this model. Actually, it is very small, and you can observe this under the microscope. Okay? So it is found. I will give you hints. It is found everywhere in all living things. Okay? Even inside of you, this micro world is working. And what can I say? That it is the unit of life. What it is?
Cell.
Well done. So from this picture you can see how our life is organized. How this kind of system is working inside of small and tiny organisms. Here you can see the atom. It is always circling. like the solar system, right? Yes. Then we are making a cell. Cells are making what? Tissue. What about a group of tissue? Organ. Yes, the organs are making organ system. All systems are synchronized and makes organisms. There are many organisms which consist of all others. Then these organisms are making population. These populations are communicating. Then these communications are making ecosystem. Then these ecosystems are making our lovely Earth, our world. Yeah, and it is a member of the macro world. So let's see and have a tour into the cell organism. So, one moment. Yeah, this is the cell from this picture. You can see. Yeah, this is the 4D model of cell. You can see here micro world. Okay, so let's know the history of discovering this cell. Cell is the smallest functional and structural unit of all life. Life consists of organisms, right? Living things. So they are made up of cell. Then this cell is observed firstly by Robert Hooke in 1665. Yeah, by using the microscope, he discovered by the microscope the cell and saw their small boxes and termed cell. And from this picture you can see that one of the first microscopes. And there was some scientists who said some theories. Okay, first it was what? So here you can see, from this picture you can see one of the first microscopes who discovered Robert Hooke. Now there are some scientists who made the theories according to the cell. First is that all organisms are composed of cells. The second one is cells are smallest living things, okay, a micro world, we said. Then the last one is cells arise, produced from pre-existing cell. It means that one, the parent cell is divided into 2, into 4, then it continues. And here I want to say the interesting fact about you, that adult human is composed of approximately 100 billions of cells. Can you imagine? Yes. So each of these cells are working together, synchronized, and helps you to have some abilities. Okay? Now, from this picture you can see the particles which is stored inside of the cell. So there are 3 main parts. What are they? Let's see. These 3 main parts are called cell membrane. Okay, the coverage one, this one. Then nucleus. It is actually also similar like a sun. Yeah, that all planets are depending on the sun by attracting, yeah, the gravity. Then the nucleus is also controlling all these other particles. All these other particles are called organelles. Okay? These organelles are depending to the nucleus. Then cytoplasm. So let's learn one by one. Cell membrane's function too is to regulate material exchange, like a door. Okay? Door opening, closing, so materials can enter, can go out. Then protect cytoplasm and cell organelles, these particles. Then give shape. There are different shapes of these cells. If you remember from last grade, the nervous cell, yeah, neuron, animal cell, bacteria cell, plant cell, they are very different by their shapes. And finally, cell membrane helps to communicate with other cells which stand nearby. Okay? the second part is the nucleus. The nickname of this nucleus is brain of the cell. So brain helps to control all activities inside of this cell. And this controlling makes the genetic materials like DNA and RNA. Like, for example, DNA is the president and RNA is prime minister. Who is the president of Kazakhstan? Well done. What about prime minister? Well done. You know all the politicians. Yeah? And finally, the nucleus helps to regulate all activities, all reactions inside of the micro world. Then last main part is cytoplasm, the place for cell organelles and nucleus, then cell for biochemical reactions. Okay, processes are happening inside of this cell. Actually, it is all empty places here. You can see these empty places, okay, between the particles. So it is like a swimming pool, and by the structure it is jelly-like. Clear? Yes. Now, from this cell, you can see many colored parts, of course, from this model too. So we are going to learn the names of all these organelles, one by one. Okay? Let's start from the smallest, then we will continue till the largest. Now, first organelle, it is ribosome. Ribosomes are very small, tiny organelles, and function is to synthesize proteins. What was the proteins? Yes, we know?
Proteins are building block of our organism.
Yeah, and it is organic compound, right? Which helps to build organism. Thank you. So, of protein is amino acids. Yeah, the chain of amino acids are made by the ribosomes. By structure, ribosome contains protein and rRNA. Then here you can see two parts, blue and red. Okay? Proteins are passing through these two parts, through this blue and red. Next organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. And shortly it is symbolized as ER. There are two types of this endoplasmic reticulum. So first it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. From this picture you can see how it seems. The function is to produce exportable proteins, to transport materials, connect the nucleus with the cytoplasm. Okay? You see this picture? Yes. This picture is from our daily life. Yeah? So road and cars. Both of them depend on each other. Without road, we cannot drive any car. It will be too hard. Then cars cannot without a road. So it is very important to have well-developed or named the road. Okay? In such a way, the ribosomes are also transported or driven inside of this rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, second type of endoplasmic reticulum, it is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The function is to produce lipid and other important materials. Okay, from this picture, you can see, by comparing the rough and smooth, you cannot see here black dots. What was that black dots? Ribosomes. So, can you see these ribosomes here?
No.
No. It means that no ribosomes in the structure of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But they have enzymes which helps to detoxify the infections, some unusable materials. Do you understand?
Yes.
Well done. Now, here you can see other organelles, this green one, this red one. Let's know, what are they? Green was the Golgi body. Golgi has very sympathetic to organ, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. it is the surname of Italian scientist who discovered this organelle. So function of this Golgi apparatus is to produce and package the materials, like, say examples, milk and saliva. Yeah. And by the structure, it is very strange. Yeah. So it is flattened, and has membranous sacs. This sacs helps to package the materials. Another organelle is the power station of our cell, our organism. So from this picture you can understand that we need this electricity because we are using iPads, computer, lamp, yeah? So technologies. All of these processes need energy, power. So what is the name of the energy inside of organism? ATP, yes, ATP is produced by mitochondria organelle. So function is to produce ATP energy, and it is the nickname of this mitochondria is power station of the cell. Then by the structure it has double membranous. Then it has the genetic materials like DNA and RNA. It has got its own ribosomes and enzymes. And actually you can see clearly this picture. I want to ask, for what kind of thing it is similar? I see here something like a children bed. Yes. In Kazakhstan, children bed. What it is? Bisit. Yes, like bisit. Yeah. So here you can see the outer membrane, inner membrane. I'm connecting these two things to memorize easily. Okay. Then here you can see the DNA helps to produce the ATP. Now girls, let's have a journey into the cell world, into the micro world. Enjoy this video. understand from this video? What you can say about this video? Yes, Rana, say.
I'm very surprised that these activities are happening on me right now at the moment, and it's so amazing.
Yeah, it is a wonderful world of the micro world. Yeah.
Video was so interesting.
Yeah, thank you. So, what kind of exemplary or the point you can get from these cells? Huh? Other pros. Here. Yes, Nushat.
That tiny things can make, when they are together, can make huge something.
Yes, for example, actions are made, yeah?
For example, when I'm studying, I mustn't say that I'm tired.
Yeah, so it is very important part when you are studying hard, when you are having some hardness or some problems, you mustn't say that it is too hard to you, yeah? Because even these micro worlds are making by saying nothing. They are just doing their job, yeah? So even these cells are making such kind of huge functions, and they are not alone. They are always together. And what was the name of the group which makes the cell?
Tissue.
Tissue, yes. The group of cell is making a tissue. Let's see this picture. So, group of cells are making on you, this is a human picture, which made up of many different cells, which makes many different tissues, helps to make you, organize you. All of these tissues are synchronized. Yeah? So, can you read this tissue's name?
Connective tissue, nervous tissue, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles,
and epithelial tissue. Right? So, all of these tissues are making you, making other organisms. Example, I want here say some more that what will be if 1 plus 1? 2 by mathematical, right? But important part, when you are using the digit 1 and stand by near of another digit 1, what will be?
11.
11. If you will more add one digit,
111.
More digit 1,
1111.
Yes, so you may continue till infinity. Yeah? You see the difference, the meaning of 2 and 1111.
Yeah.
Which one is stronger?
1111.
These digits. Now, the meaning of all of this digit 1 is that common cells making you, yeah, all of the cells, and you are making the class 9A. Then you have the common city, right? You have all of you are the citizens of Kazakhstan, and all of you are a human on the earth. So you are human, not animal, not plants. Yeah, you also may be created like a stone or like a tree, some, right? So the human are separated or different from other organisms with their mind. So you must think how the connections, all of this digit 1 is making you together. Yeah? So even cells are together. They are friendly, working their job, and they are doing the functions, right? So we must take some exemplary from them. Being together, being strong. When you are together, you are strong. Yeah. So these ones are coming together, and makes your life easier. So we mustn't separate. All human mustn't separate into their nations, their colors, their religions, right? No, they unfortunately have some wars, conflicts with other countries. But in any way, we must always think about our humanity, that we are created different from other organisms, right? So, to understand this, you may see this funny picture. Yeah? Thank you for your attention. Now, let's work in group. First, you have here the microscopes, the equipment which helps you to enter the real world of the cell. I will give you ready preparations. Okay, I have some of them. And you are going to find, your task is to find what kind of cell, then to color it, to draw that, okay? Yes. What you see. Take this one. Take this. So, who will finish? You may show it to me. Next part. This is the light microscope, catching the light by mirror. Yeah. You finished? Let me see. Oh, awesome. Can I check? Yeah. Draw it. Draw it. Draw it. A little bit red. Yeah. Well done. Draw it. While you are drawing, let me show my microscope here. Can you see here? Yes. What do you see under the microscope? What kind of cell? This red plates here. This one. Let me choose the yellow one. Here you can see. Yes, there are many of these circles. Yeah? Yes. Here you can see there's some empty places. So who wants to say what it is?
Maybe blood.
Maybe blood. Yes, of course, correct.
Red.
Well done. Because it is red. So red blood cells. So say me one by one what kind of cell you found. Yes? Blood cells. What about you?
Nervous system.
Nervous system? Muscle tissue. Okay. Stomach tissue.
Blood cells.
Yeah, blood cell. Yeah, that's why you know my microscope. Yeah. Nervous.
Red blood cell.
Red blood cells.
Also
Red blood cells. Smooth muscle. Correct. Excellent. You are super biologists. Thank you for your participation. So, did you enjoy using the microscope and the real cells? Well done. Now, let's see virtually these cells. Now, you are going to use your iPad tablets. Okay? Find there the folder biology and application iCell. Press on it. What are you seeing here?
Animal cells.
Animal cells. Okay. Now, here you see 3 organisms, and we have 3 groups. Okay. Let me say that first group will be animal cell. Okay. The second group will be bacterial cell, and third will be the plant cell. I will give you sheets to write what kind of organelles are common with other cells. Okay. To compare yourself, animal cell will compare with bacterial cell. Take it and write. The bacterial cell will compare themselves with plants, and plants with animals. Yeah. You have 3 minutes by using the iCell program. Find their organelles. Brilliant. Yes. Okay. Let me check. What about you girls? Yes. Let me show. See here. So third group, animals, yeah? Also? So, if you have finished, I need one member from each group to read and to show to each others. Come on, first group, who will? Okay, first one. Come on the board. And from the plants, now you may explain to your friends.
First, we compared animal cell with bacterial cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, lysosome, peroxisome, and the centrioles are only found in animal cell.
Okay.
And flagella, plasmids, and cellule are only in bacterial cell. They have nucleus, DNA, cell membrane, and cytoplasm in common.
In common. Thank you. What about bacteria?
We compared plant cell and bacterial cells.
Show it to your friends.
Organelles like central vacuole, mitochondria, Golgi body, vesicle, index, reticulum, cell wall, lysosomes, ribosomes, nucleus, plastid, chloroplast are found in plant cell. Okay. And organelles like plasmid, flagella, and DNA are found in bacterial cell. And DNA, cytoplasm, and cellular membrane are in common.
In common. Thank you.
We compare plant cells and animal cells. In plant cells, there are chloroplast, vacuole, and cell walls. And in animal cells, central and cell membrane. And common organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, peroxisome, lysosome, Golgi body, and the plasmic reticulum.
Thank you. Did you understand, girls?
Yes.
What kind of organelles? So you may use this kind of applications at home. There are many applications about the cell. Thank you for your participation. Sit down. Now let's continue the working groups. Now, as our today's topic is the cell, you are going to find the words. The words are words. How many letters you found here? 12?
Yes.
Oh. You use it with diagonal, vertical, all of them, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
12.
12. What about you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14 cells. Okay. 14 words are found. Bacteria are 12. 12. Let me come here. Okay. Well done. You're awesome. So, the winner is bacteria cell. Woo! I have here some chocolates for you to make your brain work harder. Yeah. Take this. This is for you. How many is it? 6? Yes. Okay. Now, to make your knowledge for today deeper, I have here a small quiz. Okay? For this, you will use your iPad tablets like a remote control. Okay? The questions will appear on the board, and you are going to press to the suitable answer from the iPads. Okay? So choose the application Kahoot. Okay? Press on it. Now I will give you a game pin. Now game pin is 1982-36. You are entering this pin. You're waiting for players. So first question, which organelles produce ATP energy? Okay, mitochondrion is the correct. I think that there are just one wrong, others are correct. Next question. So here by the speed, first was Jana, only for the first question. Next question, what is the function of ribosomes? Yeah, to synthesize protein was the correct answer. Next question. Yeah, first here was by speed. Nazirke. The third question, an organelle which found in plants but not in animal cells. Here are the questions. You are so cute, quick. Yeah, next. Jana was first by speed. Next question, what makes a growth of cells? It is, of course, tissue, right? First again, Jana. Last question, which structure controls all activities? Of course, it is nucleus, right? So let's see the scoreboard. Again, was Jana. So let's finish. Yeah, and the winner is Jana. Jana, I have here one more chocolate for you. Yeah. So, did you enjoy today's topic, today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for your participation. Now, to understand how you enjoyed this and what you learned, yeah, I think this was very useful for you. Now, I need a feedback, okay? This is the result. Vote, please. If you are happy or enjoy it, you may choose the suitable smiles, okay? Yeah. Make the ratings. Was it fun? Learned you something else? And do you recommend this? What about your feeling? So, fun, it was 5-star. Well done. You have learned here for 100%, and you are recommending it. And the feeling is happy. Yeah. So, thank you for your participation, girls. As a homework, we'll, according to your group's name, like animal cell, bacteria cell, plant cell, you are going to make a 3D model of each cell, okay? So this is the example of a last grade student. She made the cell, animal cell with the plastic. Yeah, it is just an idea to you, okay, to make some interesting like this. So thank you for your participation again. See you soon. Goodbye.